beautiful people, and happy Vlogtober. Welcome back to another Vlogtober video. Today is, I don't remember what day of Vlogtober we are on, but happy Vlogtober, you guys. Yeah, I'm off today, so I'm just doing the usual, y'all, like straightening up on my laptop. I have like 2 different videos I need to work on. I'm like in the midst of washing clothes. Y'all know the deal. I gotta figure out what we're gonna do for dinner tonight. I want something good, like something good and savory. It's still nice outside, y'all. Listen, it's the middle of fall, but like I was telling y'all the other day, it's still like really hot outside. Maybe we could put something on a grill. Maybe I can get my boyfriend to do a little fall grilling. We'll see, because he be acting funny about wanting to get on the grill, but like maybe I can make like some, I don't know, that would be cute, right? Little late night fall barbecue. I actually was thinking I wanted to put something together like with my friends. Something like in fall, either October or November. Like I think I want to do like a cute little friends like barbecue. The vlog, it's just gonna be a regular daily vlog. We don't have anything special planned today. Like we're just gonna be around the house doing things. Y'all know the vibes. I'm on my laptop now. I'm watching some YouTube videos. Just had some coffee. My boyfriend made breakfast. We ate breakfast. He's working on his stuff, and I'm working on mine, y'all. So we just in the house just getting things done. This is a typical day in the life of my life. But I just wanted to come on here and introduce the vlog, tell y'all happy Vlogtober. And yeah, I'll probably pick the camera up when we're doing something exciting. Y'all, so did I show you guys my flower I picked up? I picked her up probably like at this point I think it was 2 days ago. I named her Daisy, and it's going to be my duty to keep her alive all October, y'all. So she's still living. It's been 3 days. I've been watering her, and I really want to keep her alive all October. So wish me luck, y'all. I literally have never been able to keep a plant alive. And it's not that I haven't been able to. I just haven't been serious enough to keep a plant alive. Like I just be like letting them die, and it's just not cool. Like I don't want to be that type of person. So we have her, and I named her Daisy, and I want her to live all month. But it's saying that like she needs like plenty of sun, but I mean, we don't really be having sun in our house. Like, I mean, not that we don't have sun, but we having our blinds down. So I'm gonna try to put this. I opened up the blinds, so hopefully like that's enough sunlight for her. But yeah, we're gonna try to make this work. I came down here, y'all, because I'm about to make lunch. It is, well, at this point, it's past lunch. It's 3 o'clock, so I'm about to actually probably just start cooking, and we'll probably, whatever I make, we'll probably have it for dinner too. But yeah, y'all, Fashion Nova is so thirsty. So you know how like they said on the news that we were having like a test, so everybody turn your phones off for 30 minutes because it's gonna be like a worldwide test. It's gonna make a lot of noise. Fashion Nova, this is not a test. Action was like, what? They are nationwide. Like they take every opportunity to like capitalize off of every situation. They so tacky. Y'all, so we decided to come out here for a little stroll. We have a park not too far, so we're just getting some fresh air, y'all. But this is making me want to ride my bike. I don't know if y'all remember I think it was last October, me and my boyfriend went on like a date, and we like rode the bikes. I'm like, this is perfect for me to ride my bike at, because I was like, I haven't rode my bike yet. He got me a bike for Christmas probably like 2 Christmases ago, and I still haven't rode it. So I'm like, this little area is perfect. Get some exercise in. y'all. It's the middle of fall, well, the beginning of fall, and it's really, 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 really warm out still. So, aw, I know that's right. Look at her on her little, on her little motor motorbike. I do that 3 more times again, I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch like you. With all of them around, you scared to do. I'm not. As long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. I'm here, scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you
That shit's strong.
This is so cute. This would be a cute place to take a picture. This would be a cute place to do like a little photo shoot, y'all. So cute. Check out the vibes. Y'all, listen to the sound of this waterfall. It sounds so beautiful. Oh. Wow, I could sit here for hours. Kenny! Kenny!
Oh, you park with I got 2 pockets. Look at you trying to come down.
Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in time, but that's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. I got something that I could lend you. A peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time.
Okay, y'all, so we are walking to Big Lots. It's not too far from here. We need a rug for our outdoor patio. Well, I don't know if it's a patio. It's just the front yard. And y'all know how I decorated it, but the rug that I used last year is all messed up. So we're gonna walk to Big Lots and see if we can find another one.
I see no damn thing.
Well, they don't even got the outside stuff up yet. Check them out. Christmas, Halloween. They don't even have them. Okay. Yo, they don't really have a lot of they got a lot of little fall, autumn. Oh my God, this smells so good. It smells so good. Alright, let me find a rug first.
This is the last one that we say in every episode. Loyalty or respect? Loyalty or respect?
I would say loyalty. If you loyal to me, you already respect me. You know what I'm saying? So I go with loyalty.
Yeah, so we came to this waterfront restaurant for dinner. It's really, really cute in here, though. Waterfront out there. Let me get a better view of the water. Yeah, so we came to this restaurant. It's right on the water. So nice out here. Get to see the waterfront. Views, the vibes. We've been hitting all the gyms tonight. All the little secret. My boyfriend been taking me to all the little secret low-key spots near our way. Love it. Yo, I didn't put hardly no makeup on. I came out the house with one earring and if I would have known we was coming to eat, I would have put a little bit more effort in. It's all good. It's all good in the hood.
It's something about this space between my lips and your lips, babe, that makes me forget the promises we made. That's how hearts break. So ordinary people make mistakes. I wish I was from outer space. 'Cause being me means hurting you, and I know that's how I hate being human. I hate, oh I hate being human. I hate, oh I hate being human.
Looking at the names on your list, and I can't find me.
Hey y'all, so dinner is done. Look at the views. Y'all, I love these views. You said it's not an exit? Oh. Yeah, not supposed to exit this way, but we did anyway. Dinner was great. I wonder what he did with his dad.
I'm the one who lost in love, and I can't take it. I'm on my knees, don't you hate to see me cry? I won't lie, baby, this is do or die.
How hearts break.
Don't let me.
'Cause ordinary people make mistakes. I wish I was from outer space. 'Cause being me means
starting to hate me.